Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the PayPal statement. It is a very simple and easy process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the PayPal app on your home screen. Now open it. Then, here you can find the option of payments. Simply tap on it. Then, you will see all your payments and purchases statements right here. If you had the statements, you will simply see the statements right here. And if you don't have done it yet, then you will simply see something like this. And that's it. This is how you can get the PayPal statement on your PayPal app. It is a very simple and easy process, right? Now continue using the PayPal app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.